My phone's attempting to do night vision. My mom is driving me to the airport. I'm heading to, God, where am I going? It's really early. I'm going to Wyoming. I'm going to Jackson Hole, Wyoming. Very excited. It's, I woke up at 4:30 in the morning. My mom is driving me. And I'm very excited. I'm gonna go see the Grand Tetons.
Welcome to Jackson Hole, Wyoming, ladies and gentlemen. For the local time is 11:16.
I am officially in Wyoming. It's awesome. It has a great energy. Unfortunately, there is forest fires all around. Not in Grand Tetons and not in Yellowstone, but border of Montana, Colorado, Idaho, California, and it's all blowing into this area. That being said, I can't really see much. So I'm really hoping that the wind's clear and a cold front comes through or something helps clear the sky so I can see all the beautiful mountains. I'm gonna stay here. I'm gonna go to Yellowstone tomorrow. Gonna ride it out and just hope that nature works in my favor. If not, I'm gonna probably road trip somewhere out of the range of smoke. We'll see.
Сейчас, короче, проблема, никто не отвлекал.
Вот такие. Не надо такие.
А чого ж ви не догадались на відео заснять? Ну...
Стоп. Мама, наверное, крыши. Возьмем это.
I got a new National Parks passport. My other passport was stolen in the car robbery in California. All my stamps are gone. All the stamps that I collected from 2016, 2017 till now vanished. So I got a new passport. Gonna start collecting stamps again. Staying in a motel, but don't worry, I locked all my bags inside my room. Good morning from Du Bois, Wyoming. It's a little too soon to tell, but I think the smoke is still here. I'm driving down back to Jackson, Wyoming to return this car. Everything got switched up yesterday. I was gonna camp this whole time, but then I decided to use the money that I was gonna spend on the rental car towards a motel and get a smaller rental car. Debacle, but I got it figured out. So I'm driving down there now to return this car. I'm gonna head up towards Yellowstone because I heard there's less smoke up there, and then take it from there. So let's see where I end up today. There's just so much wildfire smoke. There it is. If you look closely, you can see the mountains. You can see the silhouette of the mountains. Can you see it? It's there. It's just hidden by the smoke. all of this normally looks like. It is a huge range of mountains, but the smoke has masked all of it from being seen. Not sure if you can hear it, but it's bubbling.
That's pretty hot.
We're getting a facial.
Yeah, we should die. So whenever people jump in, we'll die.
Cover your eyes.
I am touring around. The smoke is still pretty bad, so everything in the distance can't be seen, but the geysers up close can be seen. So I'm kind of hopping around from geyser to geyser, hot spring to hot spring, just seeing what I find. Walking through Yellowstone, the smoke really sucks. It's all up in my nose, it tickles, but I'm making the best of it.
I get splattered by mud.
I'm hiking a trail called Monument Geyser Basin Trail. It's 2 miles, it's moderate, but I finally found a hike to do without too much smoke. So I'm on the trail now, gonna see what I find at the end. This hike is good. There's some nice elevation gain. I'm getting a little workout in, which is great. Kind of restarting the day with a workout. I am at the top of Monument Geyser Basin. It's a beautiful view. It seems like the smoke has mostly cleared, so it's been an awesome hike. I really needed this today. I was having a really rough 2 days here. Yesterday was tough. This morning was tough. This is perfect. This is just what I needed. So I'm really happy to be here. Trees make everything better. Yeah, I really needed this today. Yesterday was a debacle with the rental car shenanigans, the lodging shenanigans, and then the smoke. And then today was a bit of a debacle with the smoke. Smoke hasn't gone away. I can kind of feel it as I hike. It's making my nose tickle a little bit, same with my throat. But it is a little clearer here, so a little bit less smoke, a little bit more bearable. I'm happy. And just when you thought the hike was over, it's not over. A little bit to the left, a little bit to the right of the end is some hidden geysers. Let's go look. Fun facts about geysers: they are very loud and they stink like rotten eggs. Okay, now the hike is officially over. There's nowhere left to go except back down. I cannot properly express how much I needed this hike. It was a little hike, wasn't anything big or crazy, but my God, I needed to have a good hike. Down the trail we go. I'm almost at the end. Smells like eggs. It's really warm when the steam hits you. Some kind of animal has been walking on this ground. I'm guessing bison. You are here, oh faithful. This whole thing, when it blows, I think the whole thing. There is still smoke in the Grand Tetons. So I think I might go hang out for a few days in Yellowstone. Escape the wildfires as much as I can. Oh, shoot.